In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to embed video in widgets. Videos are inherently more engaging and eye-catching than text or images. Embedding videos in widgets can make your website more visually appealing and capture visitors' attention. To do so, all you need to do is log into your WordPress admin dashboard. Hover over Appearance and click on Widgets. Simply click on the plus icon where you want to add the widget. If you want to embed a YouTube video, then you can select YouTube here. But in case you want to know more, then you can simply write Video over here. You can see various options here. Since I want to add a YouTube video, simply select YouTube over here. And then we'll go to YouTube Video, and whichever one you want to upload, copy the video URL, paste it over here like this. And once done, click on Embed. Now click on Update. Now let's check the widget from the front end. And you can see the video has been successfully added over here. And this is how easy it is to embed video in widgets. Now, in case you also want to learn how to embed Facebook video in WordPress, we have a video where you can learn that as well. I'll link it in the description below, or you can click the eye icon in the top right corner of your screen to view the video. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you with the next one.